In this lecture we studied aliases. Aliases are the abbreviation of the commands. For example, line, L-I-N-E. Instead of L-I-N-E typing, we just type a single word. Typing the command, for example, L-I-N-E line to access line. How can we change this aliases? Type a aliases edit. This dialog box will appear. Here we have to find first L. Here is line. We change this line to L. Okay. The alias L is already being used for the lightweight command. Do you want to redefine it? Yes. Okay. Now we have to find line weight. Like here it is. We have to change this L. L W. Okay. Redefine it. Yes. Okay. Apply. Do you want to write? Yes. Done. Okay. Now you have to restart your application that your command or your changes take place. L, enter. Here it is.